Hey traders, it's Alan, your trusted guide in the world of trading.
I used to go to work and dream about the day I'd stop working 9 to 5 for someone else and go on a world tour on a yacht. Just last year, I made that dream come true. How did I do it? Watch closely.
Today I'm going to show you the power of trading with AI Bot. This revolutionary trading robot helps make effective decisions thanks to its deep knowledge of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology. Trading with it is really user-friendly, even for beginners. Let me show you how it works.
My trading bot is the result of 11 months of work by top traders and developers. It uses AI to analyze past data and predict short-term market moves. The bot sends a list of pairs 10 minutes before each session via Telegram and doesn't spam you. Setup is quick. Set your platform to a 1-minute time frame with 30-second candles and start. No indicators are needed. Just follow the bot. Know a better bot? Message me on Telegram and we'll test it. All right, the bot has already analyzed the first pair. It's telling me we should go up. I totally agree. It looks like the candle is trying to break the support level, but I don't think it's going to happen. And there we go. Let's be honest. That wasn't too hard. Next up, we've got an Australian and a New Zealander. I see the candle has hit the resistance level. What does the bot say? The bot suggests going down. And honestly, I do the same. Let's wait and see. Well, was there ever any doubt? I didn't think so. Let's keep going.
And don't forget, there's a unique opportunity to try our AI bot for free, as well as watch it in action during our live sessions. You can also go in and trade based on recommendations absolutely free of charge. Ever had an opportunity like that? I guess not, so hurry over to our Telegram channel. The link is in the description under this video and in the first pinned message.
The bot is highlighting another pair for us. It's telling us to go down again. Sometimes in trading, diving down is the right move. No second guessing here. Let's follow it. Perfect. How can you not be happy with that? Especially when I see that number going up on the side. By the way, remember, you can copy all my moves and apply them to your sessions. It's simple. On average, my subscribers are making 600 per session. So go ahead and join in. I'm on a roll, and apparently so is my bot. We're back to the first pair. I see we've broken through the level. We stalled just before the breakout, which is always a good sign. What does the bot say? Oh, we're flying up. Let's go. Friends, the most important thing you need to remember when working with the bot is to pay close attention to its commands. Here, every second counts, so act fast. Make sure no one interrupts you during your session. And if you're trading at work, maybe ask the boss for a little break. I don't see any signs of a reversal here, but what's the bot say? The bot's suggesting we shoot for the sky, so we're going up.
For every trading session, it's crucial to maintain consistency and strictly follow the bot's recommendations. Once you start tweaking settings, you increase the chances of making mistakes, and it's pointless and unnecessary to introduce room for error. That's why I trade entirely based on this bot's conditions.
Nailed it. But with this bot, that's always the case. Let's keep going. Let's check in on Canadian and Japanese. I see we've hit resistance and the candles are showing long wicks, so I'm expecting a bounce down. What does the bot say? Yup, we're diving in. Great. We're almost there. Just one more push. I'm sure we'll get an amazing result. Just got a message from the bot. That was fast. I haven't even finished my analysis yet, but let's not wait. We're going down. Wow, that was quick and the result is fantastic. I'm really happy with that.
Remember, all the power and might of AI is literally at your fingertips. Follow our bot's success on Telegram, get our AI bot, and trade with us. Let's trade together using the full power of AI. That's all for today. Bye-bye.